The LEGO 42148 Tracked Combine Harvester MOC by Dyens Creations is an exceptional creation that beautifully captures the essence of a real-life combine harvester. This MOC is a testament to the builder's talent and attention to detail, making it a must-have for LEGO enthusiasts and agricultural machinery fans alike. One of the standout features of this MOC is its incredible accuracy and authenticity. The builder has done an excellent job of replicating the intricate design of a combine harvester, incorporating various elements such as the rotating cutting head, adjustable harvesting platform, and even the grain storage compartment. Each detail is meticulously crafted, bringing the model to life and adding to its overall realism. The functionality of this MOC is also worth highlighting. The rotating cutting head can be easily maneuvered, allowing you to simulate the harvesting process. The adjustable harvesting platform adds an extra layer of realism, giving you the freedom to position it according to your preference. Additionally, the grain storage compartment is a fantastic touch, allowing you to gather and store the crops as you imagine the harvester moving through the fields. The build experience itself is both enjoyable and challenging. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, ensuring that you can assemble the MOC without any major issues. However, it's worth noting that some sections of the build might require a bit more patience due to the intricate details involved. Overall, the building process is rewarding, and the end result is truly satisfying. In terms of aesthetics, the LEGO 42148 Tracked Combine Harvester MOC stands out as an eye-catching display piece. The color scheme is well chosen, with the vibrant green and yellow capturing the essence of agricultural machinery. The attention to detail extends to the decals, adding a touch of authenticity to the overall appearance of the model. In conclusion, the LEGO 42148 Tracked Combine Harvester MOC by Dyens Creations is an exceptional creation that showcases the builder's talent and passion for LEGO. With its accurate design, functional features, and impressive aesthetics, this MOC is a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection. Whether you're a fan of agriculture or simply appreciate well-crafted LEGO models, this MOC is sure to delight and captivate you. Enjoy building.